Let me show you how to create an Instagram profile photo that pops, kind of like this one. For this design, you can use your Canva free account to create your profile photo. So what you're going to do is click on Create a Design and find the Instagram post template that is square. It's going to open a blank template much like this one. So the first step is to have a photo that you've taken of yourself, preferably one that's straight on. I've added this image here of myself, and what I'm going to do is turn it into something that looks like this. And I'm going to show you how to go from this to this using a few steps in Canva. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and remove the background of your photo, and you'll do that by clicking on Edit Photo and click on Background Remover. This step is a pro feature of Canva, so if you don't have pro, that's okay. You can just go to a site like Remove BG. So here I am on Remove BG. I've added my photo to have the background removed, and it did that, and I can just download it here and save it. Once you have that image in here with the background removed, go ahead and download it as a PNG file with a transparent background. Now, if you've already downloaded it from a site like Remove BG, then you probably don't need this step. Then once you have your transparent background image on your uploads inside of Canva, you can insert it on a canvas of your color choosing. So I might choose this as my background color and then put me on top of it. And then you have a solid colored background with your image on top, which is going to help you get closer to the profile photo that we saw earlier. Then what you want to do is download this image as a PNG, but this time don't click transparent background because you want it to download with the pink background. So go ahead and click download and save that too. So now in your upload section under Canva, you will have a photo with a solid color background and a photo with no background. The next step is to clear your canvas so that it's a white canvas again, and this time you're going to go over to the Elements tab and locate the Frames section and click on See All. And you're looking for the circle frame that has an outer circle like this one. This is going to be your profile frame. You can change this outer color to anything you want. I chose something that's more in my brand colors. So once you have this, you're going to go back to your uploads and you're going to upload your profile picture. But if you'll recall, this isn't the way that it looks. What we're trying to achieve is something a little more like this. And so what we want to do is we want to scale this photo up much larger so that your head sort of overlaps the top circle. And it'll look something like that. So once you have something that looks like this, what I want you to do is go back to Elements and go to Grids, and I want you to place a frame right over the top, but I want it to be just sort of like this size over the top of your image. Because what you're going to end up doing is you're going to insert your transparent background image over the top. So you're going to take this one and you're going to insert it over the top. And lastly, what you need to do is scale it so that it's the same size as the image behind it. You got to make some adjustments. So it gets a little trickier when you have to line up the hair, but you just have to scale your image and, crop the edges as best you can to get it to line up so that it looks like it's all one. And now you can see that my head overlaps the circle and it looks like it's popping out of this image. Now, in order to use it on your profile, all you have to do is download it as a PNG, and you could even download it as a transparent PNG and all this white stuff will then be transparent. But for a simple profile photo, you can download it as a white image, and then all you have to do is crop it so that it fills your profile image. So there you have it. If you like this video, leave me a comment and hit subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.